श्रीकृष्णपरब्रह्मणे नमः। We know there are 18 chapters in the Bhagavad Gita. The 16th chapter deals with Daiva Asura Sampat. Sampat means wealth. We have divine wealth. Some of us, more divine wealth we have. Some people, they will have more demonic, satanic vices in their personality. So, virtues to be inculcated and vices to be eradicated. That is the real guideline for us. For that, we go for samskara, samskriti, samskritam, shraddha. These are all great life values. They help us to inculcate those divine values, Daiva Sampat. As we develop more and more divine values, like that, those satanic devil vices will come down. Day will come that we will be free from vices and continuously we exhibit divine qualities throughout our life journey. That is why Krishna gives a list comprising all those divine qualities. It starts with Abhayam, Sattva Samshuddhi, Jnana Yoga Vyavasthitihi, Danam Damascha Yajnascha Swadhyayastapa Arjavam, Ahimsa Satyam Akrodhaha Tejaha Shantirapaishunam, Dayabhuteshu Alolutvam Ardavam Hrihi Achapalam, Tejaha Kshama Dhritihi Shaucham Adroha Na Atimanita Bhavanti Sampadam Daivim Abhijatosi Bharata. Text goes like this. This is the first portion of that chapter which deals with Daiva Asura Sampat. So that very name given to that chapter is Daiva Asura Sampat Yogo Nama Shodashaha Adhyaya. Today when I just checked what is the significance has been added to this day, 12th August. It was very interesting. This day is celebrated as International Youth Day. So today's main focus is youth, our young boys and girls. Actually, they are the real wealth of any nation. Fortunately, India got that wonderful wealth of youth. 60% of Indian population is young. So, youth is our real wealth of this great Bharat, this nation. In the same time, when we think of that youth, how it is marching, how it is progressing, when we take into account, many times we become upset. Why it is our youth, so-called youth, it is negatively charged? Why it is so much drawn forcibly towards so much gadgets like mobile, laptop, so many so forth. If they are used properly, positively, they are wonderful instruments for enhancement of our knowledge and strength, no doubt. But when we are passing through the youth, we must be very careful because that particular age is so full of teja. Krishna says that this youth word, it is represented by tejaha. Tejaha, kshama, dhritihi, shaucham, adroha, na atimanita. This particular line in that chapter, 16th chapter, tells about the qualities, expected qualities of youth. That is how Bhagavad Gita becomes a wonderful treasure house for guidelines, for everything, even for youth. Why should we say like this? Because he says, O Arjuna, Tejaha, Kshama, Dhritihi. Tejaha means vigor, youth, dashing nature, energized condition of human life. Kshama, forgiveness. Dhritihi, organizing capacity, holding capacity, balance. Shaucham, purity, internal and outer, external purity. Tejaha, Kshama, Dhritihi, Shaucham. Adroha, friendship, non-hating tendency. That droha bhava, taking revenge against many, it is very bad. Now, Atimanita means ego problem. Too much egocentric attitude and activity, which we can see now in so-called sports competitions, where it is so deadly, cut-throat competition takes place when youth participate in so many games. It is Atimanita, too ego, we belong to this nation, we must win. Okay, you win, but at what cost you win? If you break others' leg and you win, what is this? So all this Krishna has taken into consideration while projecting those expected qualities for young youth. Afterwards he says, O Arjuna, Abhijatosi Bharata, Sampadam Daivyam Abhijatosi Bharata. Oh my friend Arjuna, fortunately you possess all these youth, young qualities present in youth you have. Oh Arjuna, that's what he tells Arjuna. So Arjuna, by that time he was already 40, 50. When he fought against Kauravas, they were not so young by age. All those fighters like Bhima, Arjuna, they were all middle-aged people. But Krishna addresses Arjuna, Oh Arjuna, you got all these qualities of youth, So happy thing. Bhavanti sampadam daivim abhijatosi bharata. That is how he certifies. So these are 21 qualities, divine qualities. Among them, these some qualities, they are the main qualities expected to be present in youth. What is that? Tejaha, Kshama, Dhritihi, Shaucham, Adroha, Na Atimanita, Bhavanti Sampadam Daivim Abhijatosi Bharata. You got all these qualities. That means Krishna tells that, oh Arjuna, you got all these qualities expected in you. That is what he was, Arjuna was. Hanuman, he was like that. These are all representatives of this youth culture. Youth is not only it is age-wise. some B.Ed students went to our General Karyappa. Some incident, I am very happy to refer to it. General Karyappa was a great commander-in-chief. He was in old age. He was there in Markera, Madikere, Coorg. So some B.Ed students went and they introduced themselves. I am 22 years young, I am so and so, my name is like that. But they were telling, I am 22-year-old, 23-year-old, I am 24-year-old, I am 25-year-old. That is how all those B.Ed students they were introducing. Old, in English, even 2-year-old, 3-year-old. So all those students, they were 22, 23, 24, 25-year-old, old people. In youth, they are old people. So after this one, 80-year-old general, Major General, Marshal, I think, General Karyappa told, you are 22-year-old, you are 23-year-old, you are 25-year-old, I am 82-year young. That is what General Karyappa told. Very interesting. This is youth. So Krishna tells here, addressing Partha, oh Arjuna, you are young. Certifies. Why? Because those divine qualities of youth you possess. That is why you are young. Abhijatosi Bharata. This thing you must understand. Particularly our students of this yoga campus, we must understand. Here you can see many people so enthusiastic in their old age. They are 70 years young, 72 years young. Some of our professors emeritus, they are 80 plus young. Sometime our students, they will be walking here in this center. If we look at them, we feel that they are 22-year-old, very old, because they cannot walk properly. Cannot walk. By their walking only we can say they are already old. No. That is how this youth, it is so beautifully structured by Krishna in his list of Daivi Sampat. So Tejaha, it is important. Teja means it is dashing nature, efficiency, leadership quality. That's called Tejaha. In Sanskrit, this word got special meaning. Youth must have this Tejaha. Partha got that one. You can just see that story of Pashupatastra Prapti in Mahabharata, where this young, ever young fighter, warrior, Madhya Pandava, Partha Arjuna, he fights against Mahashiva. That very fight, it was so beautifully described in Mahabharata. Because he was knowing that this man is more strong than me, I have to win him. In that mode of will, he fights against Lord Shiva. Swaminmaya, that is how prescribed in Champu Bharata, Jadadhiya. Vacha Sharena Dhanusha Dridhamushtina cha, he says. Wrestling, archery, all type of vidyas, he exhibits there before Lord Shiva. Shiva, he was enjoying this young man, how strong he is, fighting and fighting. Vaja, Sharena, Dhanusha, Dridhamushtina. So, using all such powers, he makes Partha weaponless. Then he starts wrestling. Ultimately, Shiva tells him, wonderful. Now I am happy. It is not that by your penance I am happy. I came here to bestow upon Pashupata Astra, but I tested your valor, this fighting nature. That is why now I am very happy to give this wonderful Pashupata Astra to you. That is how Mahashiva certifies Arjuna Partha. So, even while fighting against Shiva also, Partha was middle-aged man. Arjuna was middle-aged man. When Bhagavad Gita preaching was going on in Kurukshetra, already he was middle-aged. He was not young by age, but he got all these qualities. Teja, Kshama, forgiveness. Many times our young people, they don't have that attitude. Actually, you must have that. Forget and forgive. This attitude, if you develop, we can maintain friendship with all. Otherwise, you give too much importance to friendship. So for some days you will be so befriended. Always you will be in his company, someone's company. After 5 days there will be some cacophony. You become 36. 63, 36. Understanding? That is break of friendship. Breaking of friendship is called 3, 6. Vimukha. Facing different directions. Why? So easily you break your friendship. Because this Kshama quality is missing among young people. They are too angry sometimes, short-tempered, they are too much egoistic. Small things, if they can't encounter, for small silly reasons they lose their temper. And many people feel that we are fighters. Fighters means what fighter? Just to test hardship of your forehead, you cannot hit your head to any walls, No. There you cannot test your hardship. So that there will be viveka always. Kshama, tejaha, kshama, dhriti. Balance. Every time balance. That attitude is important. Shaucham. Without internal purity, external purity, if we just go on scolding others, complaining against every establishment, No, it's not good. Now that has become a very common problem with young people. Every time murmuring, grumbling, all these things are not good. We must have that positive attitude. This is what youth is. Tejaha, kshama, dhritihi, shaucham, adroha, hating not good. Every time we must have that propriety. It is called propriety. To what, how much weightage we have to give. Sometimes we are carried away by many things. Some youth, they are too much carried away by cinema. Some are very much carried away by sports. They are all wonderful things to our life. If they are taken in a positive sense, they are all good. But if it is taken to its extreme point, these are very dangerous. They spoil our life. That is why tejaha, kshama, dhritihi, shaucham, adroha, no atimanita. Atimanita, that word is very much tactfully used by Krishna. Atimanita means too much ego. Every time you use, it is by me, it is for me, it is in me, it is at me, it is from me, it is under me. These type of feelings, ego, very dangerous. We must be very much humble, accommodating, respectful, obedient. This very attitude makes us good achievers, good seekers. That is the real quality of all yogins. Yoga is not that for piece of paper, BSc, MSc. It is good. But in the same time, if we don't achieve, don't practice it, how can we become yogins? So that these qualities are qualities expected to be present among all young girls and boys. Tejaha, Kshama, Dhritihi, Shaucham, Adruhu, Natimanita. Oh Arjuna, you got all these qualities. That is why I consider you as great Daivika man, divine person. So these are divine qualities of youth. We want that type of qualities. Youth now, it is too much carried away by many passions, many bad things. The whole scenario is not at all good. That too in India it is so bad. More than that, these so-called medias are projecting the whole negative things of youth, so that whole nation is carried away by hallucinations, illusions, confusions. But now Bhagavad Gita gives proper guidance. We in this campus want our young people to have all these qualities. Tejaha, Kshama, Dhriti, Shaucham, Adroha, Natimanita. Sampadam Daivi Bhavijatu Bharat. So with this understanding of Bhagavad Gita, which projects the real qualities expected to be youth, let us remember this day, let us celebrate this day, let us attach some significance to this day, International Youth Day. Om Tat Sat.